Once again, welcome to Maths Guru's channel. The question before us is y equal to 1 minus 2x all raised to the power of 3. We are to find the value of y at s equal to minus 1. At first sight, what we come to mind is to substitute directly the value of x here into the function. And when you do that, you're going to get 27. But that is not what we are required to do. We are simply talking about the change that occurred in the function there. And that is simply differentiation. So what we are going to do is to differentiate this function. And how do we go about this? You remember differentiation and integration in calculus. So let's use that here now. We have the function y equal to 1 minus 2x, bracket open and close, all raised to the power of 3. So simply we said, let u be equal to 1 minus 2x. If u is equal to 1 minus 2x, y will be equal to u raised to the power of 3. So the y, the u will be equal to 3u raised to the power of 2. That is, bring the 3 down, and then we have our u raised to the power of 3 minus 1 to give us 2. That is how to differentiate this way. Then, since u is equal to 1 minus 2x, the u, the s will be equal to, this is a constant, so minus 2x is what we are left with now. Differentiating this, we are going to have the power of x here is 1. So bring it down, multiply it by what we have here. We have negative 2 as our final answer. Then, because we're going to have s raised to the power of 1 minus 1, which is 0. And any number raised to the power of 0 is 1. So, let's move on. The y, the s is equal to the u, the s multiplied by the y, the u. This is a chain rule. So, the y, the s now is equal to, what is that? The u, the x. The u, the s is equal to minus 2. Multiplied by the y, the u, which is 3u raised to the power of 2. And when you do that, you have minus 2 times 3, you have minus 6. Then u raised to the power of 2. If you substitute the value of u into the expression here, we're going to have minus 6 or negative 6 into u is equal to 1 minus 2x, all raised to the power of 2. So this is the change that occurs in the function then. So it is at this point that we're going to substitute the value of s given to us in the question. So we have the y, the x, equal to minus 6 into 1 minus 2s, all raised to the power of 2. Now let's substitute. Minus 6 into 1 minus 2 into a minus 1, which is the value of x, everything raised to the power of 2. So we're going to have minus 6 into 1, negative 2 times negative 1, we're going to have negative 2, all raised to the power of 2. Then we're going to have minus 6 into 1 plus 2 is 3, raised to the power of 2. So we have minus 6 times 3 raised to the power of 2 is 3 times 3, which is 9. And minus 6 times 9 is equal to negative 54. That is our final answer. And if you check the options provided here, the answer is equal to C. That is the right option. Please subscribe to our channel if you're watching for the first time, so you will be informed anytime a new video is uploaded on this platform. Thank you for watching, and